Hey, I'm attorney Adam Tracy, and today I want to talk about a question I get often, which is how do you list your altcoin on a cryptocurrency exchange? And the easy answer is that there is no answer. Unlike a IPO or a listing on OTC markets, NASDAQ, etc., where you have to go through a regulatory process with FINRA, which is oftentimes long, arduous, and involves a lot of paperwork, there is no set of rules for listing on any of these hundreds of now independent cryptocurrency exchanges. So the best way to kind of break it down is to think about what you're trying to list and what are the general parameters that these exchanges are looking for, because after all, they're in the business of creating liquidity for these coins and taking fees off the transactions for the coin, so obviously they need the coin to be viable. So when I look at it, I look at three things. One, that the coin is useful. So in the context of the ecosphere, the economy of that coin or that token, that it's useful, that there's some sense of worth and value behind it. Two, is the coin or token valuable, right? It can't be predicated on thin air, right? You see a lot of these ICOs, a lot of them don't make sense. You don't know what the real stake is. What value do I have if I own one of these coins or tokens? And three, is it liquid, right? Is it liquid? Is there enough interest, is there enough eyeballs on that coin or token that make people want to jump onto your exchange and trade their coin or buy that coin? So when it comes down to that, if you can convince some of these promoters of these exchanges that these three things exist, typically subject to customary anti-money laundering and KYC, know your client, reviews by the exchange, and then sometimes maybe the payment of a fee, typically a couple bitcoins here or there, you should be able to list your altcoin. Now, in many cases that I've been involved with, you'll see yourself starting on like the lower tier exchanges and moving up, right? And I think, if you look across the spectrum of exchanges, and there's ones that are popping up every day, that's why you see ones that are collapsing every day, is that you kind of have almost 3 or 4 tiers. And so often, you start at a fourth tier, like a Poloniex, move up to a Shapeshift, and then maybe like to the highest tier, which is like a Coinbase or a Kraken, or one of the ones that by volume have the largest amount. So I guess the quick answer is I don't have your answer, but I know if you have something of value, you have something and you do the marketing, right? You do the marketing that creates the liquidity and creates the want and the demand for the coin or token. It's really not a difficult process, and from a legal perspective or a compliance perspective, as long as your books are in order, it's really not a tough thing to do. So if you're looking to list your altcoin, need some assistance, feel free to give me a call or email me at@tracyfirm, and visit me bitcoin-lawyer.org. Until next time, Adam Tracy, I'll talk to you soon.